Hello guys, my name is Amakwenes. I'm going to show you how to add addon domain to your web hosting, okay, to your account. Now, EreddaHost, we have the cheapest hosting, okay. Let's say you have already paid for a hosting, okay. Maybe you have subscribed to one of our hosting plan, which you can add unlimited domain. For instance, copper, just 80 Ghana cedis. You'll be able to add unlimited domain. Bronze, all the packages, you'll be able to add unlimited domain. Okay, so let's say you have this package, which is 80 cedis, which you can add unlimited domain. You have already added a domain and you want to add another one. Okay, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can add an addon domain. Okay, good. So first of all, let's first log into our account. So come here and click login. Okay, so here we can now enter our email and password. So this is my email. Okay, so let me log in. Good. So I'm already on my dashboard. This is my dashboard. Okay, these are the products that I've paid for. That is domain and also my hosting. That's the hosting. Okay, that's the copper. Okay, so in case you were not taken to this, to here, you can just click here. That is products and services. That is product and services, and you see the product that you have paid for. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can add addon domain. Okay, good. So to do that, make sure you point your name server. In case the domain, you bought the domain from a different company, then you have to make sure you change the name server. Okay, let me give you an example here. Now I have a domain here. This is what I'm going to use as an example at Namecheap. So first of all, when you log into your dashboard, you go to domain list. I'm using Namecheap as an example. Okay, so when you go to the Namecheap domain list, then you see the list of domain that you have added to your account. Okay, so in that case, this domain, I want to add this domain to my web hosting, but it doesn't mean we don't say domain. We do say domain. Okay, but I'm talking about in case you already have a domain and you want to add it to your website. Okay, good. So first of all, come here, manage. Okay, go there, and then over here, make sure you select custom. Most of the time you see Namecheap basic DNS, okay, but change it to custom. Okay, after that, enter this information. That's ns1.ereddahost.com, ns2.ereddahost.com, ns3 up to ns4. Okay, enter all of them and save it. You see a pencil icon here. For instance, let me delete this. So after, okay, now so you see something like this, then you click to save that. So let me enter that.com. Good. And now after adding this information, you see this, then you click save and it will save. It will be added. Okay, good. As soon as you're done with that, you are done. Okay, good. So let us continue. Now we have added our name server. So once you have done that, you can go straight and add your domain to your account. So first, let me copy the domain from here. This is the domain Bible Banquet. It belongs to my client. I'm here to create a website for that, and also I'm using it for this tutorial. Okay, so first of all, to go to our Cpanel, click here, just click here, and now we can go to log into Cpanel. Okay, so it will take us to our Cpanel. That's where we are going to add the domain. Okay, so we can just search here addon. Okay, we will see that here. Okay, so let's select here. Okay, just select here. So I think domain will do. Okay, good, we have done that. Okay, now after that, here it says please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Create new domain, so click that. Good. So we have to enter our domain name here. So I will just paste Okay, so I will just paste the domain here. Okay, good. I will paste the domain here, and this is the domain that I want to create. Okay, good. Let's see. So this is a new domain. Okay, so we are adding a new domain. Good. So after that, this is where we see the domain. No problem. I think it's okay. Good. Okay, so now we can now click submit, and let's wait. Okay, good. So as you can see, it has been added. You have successfully created new biblebanquet.org. Okay, so this domain has been added to our account, as you can see. Okay, good. So let me click here to open it. Okay, and let's see if everything is working. We just want to, okay, but yeah, we have added it. Okay, everything is looking fine, everything is okay. We are yet to add that is, so let me check it from here. DNS checker. So we are going to see if, okay, so let me paste it here, and now we can search here. Let's see. Okay, so we have to wait for a while. Okay, for about that is 24 hours. Okay, sometime less than that. Okay, for the domain to propagate. Okay, so that's it. So we have added the new domain to our cPanel. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.